stole my backup phone. Hi, jeez. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? What am I going to do now? Where's my phone? I follow this one. This is my pouch. Where's my phone?
Yes.
Sir?
Come.
I'm very, very sorry, sir. I don't know. I was just. This is my first time.
This is your first time.
My first time. I promise. This is my first time, so I'm very, very sorry.
So just because I'm answering call, you had the right to just target my phone. Why? When you already have your own phone, why are you acting like this? Is it a good character? It's not a good way to be. How can a fine girl like you just find something to take for someone's phone?
I'm so sorry, sir. I will not try it again.
Just listen to yourself. How do you feel when you were looking for your phone? How do you feel? You feel awful, right? That's how I would have felt if you took mine. You didn't even think about it. You didn't even think about my mental health. You didn't. What you just thought about is just how to take the phone. Is it right?
Sir, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Please, look, I will not try it. I will just. It was my first. I was just using it for practice, sir.
You're using me for practice.
I'm so
and
sorry.
You still have the mouth to talk it.
I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry, sir.
I'm not a bad person. I was supposed to leave here, but I was just waiting for you to come back and look for it. Is this your phone?
Yes, sir.
If you like, keep taking people's things. Don't change. Get out of here.
Thank you so much, sir. I will not try it again.
You better not.
Okay, I was going. Thank you so much, sir.